8086 flag register. Flag register is a part of execution unit. It is 16-bit register with each bit corresponding to a flip-flop. A flag is a flip-flop. It indicates some condition produced by the execution of an instruction. Flag can control certain operation of execution unit. Flag register is also called as 8086 microprocessor. The 8086 flag register divided into two categories: conditional flags, control flags. Conditional flags are the status flag like 8085 microprocessor, and it is set or reset according to the result of operation. Second is control flag. Control flag is also called machine control flag. It will control the operation of the microprocessor according to the bit store. First, we will discuss about conditional flag. Conditional flag, we have carry flag. This flag indicates if the result is having carry or not. If it is 1, there is a carry. If it is 0, no carry. Auxiliary carry flag. If an operation performed in ALU generates carry or borrow from lower nibble D0 to D3 to upper nibble D4 to D7, the auxiliary carry flag is set. That is, carry given by D3 bit to D4 is auxiliary carry flag. This is not general purpose flag. It is used internally by the processor to perform binary to BCD conversion. Parity flag. This flag is used to indicate the parity of the result. If lower order 8-bit of result contain even number of ones, parity flag is set, else it is reset. 0 flag. If the result is 0, 0 flag is set, else it is reset. Sign flag. In sign magnitude format, the sign of a number is indicated by most significant bit. If the result of operation is negative, sign flag is set, else it is reset, means the negative result is positive. Control flag. Control flags are set or reset deliberately to control the operation of execution unit. Control flags are as follow. Trap flag. It is used for single step control. It allows user to execute one instruction of a program at a time for debugging. When trap flag is set, program can be run in single step mode. Interrupt flag. It is an interrupt enable or disable flag. If it is set, maskable interrupt of 8086 is enabled, and if it is reset, the interrupt is disabled. It can be set by executing instruction SIT and can be cleared by executing CLI instruction. Directional flag. It is used in string operation. If it is set, string bytes are accessed from higher memory address to lower memory address. When it is reset, the string bytes are accessed from lower memory address to higher memory address. Overflow flag. This is conditional flag. This flag is set if an overflow occurs. That is, if the result of a signed operation is large enough to accommodate in destination register. If the result is more than 7-bit in size in case of 8-bit signed operation and more than 15-bit in size in case of 16-bit signed operation, then the overflow will be set. So this is all about flag register, as it is 16-bit register and it is also called as program status word.